That's you got a good picture there, Steve. Just back off a little bit.
I got cups of ice.
Here we are in Livingston Manor, and we are watching.
Where wildlife abounds.
We are watching a spider wrap its intended prey, cocoon, if you will. As it begins to cocoon its prey, soon it will dissolve it and then feast.
By the time the orange shell is gone, he will have consumed the whole thing.
That's orange?
This is stuff you only see on National Geographic.
In Howard Beach.
But tonight, here, you see it live!
I think you scared the spider.
Going in at it, look.
Look at that. Yo, he's just going up in it, yo!
Oh, look at it. I think he just bit him.
I think that spider needs an intervention.
Oh, holy shit. Look
Oh.
at it. Twining him.
He is now wrapping him, cocooning him to feast upon its carcass at a later date. You've seen it live on video tonight.
Nico TV.
Rope it all up because you